how to change my AI gender on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. In this page, swipe left on your screen to make your messages appear. From here, we will be able to access the avatar of my AI. As you can see, this is the current avatar of my AI, and to change this, click on the three dots icon on top of the screen. Now choose avatar settings and these options will then show. Just choose one, and from here you can either make your AI female or male. Choose the skin tone. After that, proceed to the hair. In here, above the hairstyles for male and below is the styles for female. In here, you can also edit the hair, hair treatment, eyebrows, nose, jaw, face shape, lips, ears, body type, accessories, and its makeup. Also, its overall outfit. After that, you can just hit on save on the upper right corner of the screen and that should do it. So that is how to change my AI gender on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.